Hello everybody, this week we've got the KPM Alphajet A model. We've got a whole range of Alphajets this year. There are three options, all belonging to the Kinetic agency, government agency, which is, I think it's part privatised, but it's certainly able to do its own work. That's the box. Nice little artwork, I think. Quick look at the decals, they're in good condition, and you've got the decals for the stencils. Actually, you can put those all together. See how it's showing up, or you can cut them off, up to you, put it the other way around. Got two instrument panels, nice little information leaflet, but it's for all three of the versions, which include the Canadian one in this as well. But you got decals for the harnesses, which you can probably put on a bit of foil or something if you want to bend them round, or just have them laying flat on the thing. Nice clear instructions. Got a sheet for the stencils there. That's a bit of a blow in. Don't waste time with staples. This company. You could for this model you're gonna have to cut bits off and all that sort of thing. But most of that, we have time to look at the sprue itself, the plastic itself. But yeah, usual multi-option instructions, very clear. And KPM doesn't mess around with located lugs either, so but these days experienced model doesn't have to worry about that really. But there's the sprue itself. There's two sprues, just two sprues, nice and efficient. Nice plastic, slightly textured. I would say there's a little bit of flash on them, but all you need to do for flash is that it's gone. Just a swipe. Yeah, more carefully than I just showed you, but you have to be careful. Anyway, point being, it's only a little bit of flash. It's not a problem at all. What is a bit of a disappointment, but problem, but not if you can just go a sharp knife, is the amount of moulding things. I can't remember what they're called now, but they moulding gate things, yeah. They only need to be removed with a knife, carefully, obviously without cutting your fingers off. That would be a bit of a problem, wouldn't it? But the actual thing itself remains quite clear. Get the odd bit of flash, but I think these are good quality panel lines and everything like that. So anyway, I'm running out of battery, so I'll have to leave it a short review. Thank goodness everybody says. And yeah, I'll enjoy building that because it's an Alphajet, but it's one which is flown by a British company or British agency. And there we are, that's the canopy is clear. It's always good, one piece canopy. So there, hopefully that all recorded. My camera's saying that it's flat battery, so we'll see. Thanks for watching this week, and cheerio.